2025 was a pretty big year for me. I quit my job, I started my own channel, and I made a lot of short videos. So yeah, I ended up finding a lot of cool gadgets and tech in 2025, and that's what this video is about. Hey guys, I'm Akshay from 8-Bit Toast, and this is my roundup of the best tech finds of 2025. First up is this Lego Technic Porsche, and yeah, building this took a lot of time, but it looks so good and it's a lot of fun. Plus, it's the only way I can buy a Porsche right now. So anyway, the best part about this is that you can actually drive this thing with your smartphone. Just power it on and it's ready to go. It's a lot of fun to drive it and it's actually super responsive, but yeah, it's not the fastest RC car out there. I do wish that the controls were laid out better because this layout is quite annoying. But apart from that, this is great. It's got lights that look beautiful in the dark and it has all these amazing details all over the place, and I really love the look of these wheels. It's quite expensive for a Lego set, around 14,000 rupees, but it's honestly worth it. Next up, for all the guitarists out there, this wireless guitar cable is amazing. Look, I love playing the guitar, and yes, acoustic guitars are fun, but electric guitars have their own charm. My only problem, and if you're a guitarist, you know this, are the wires. Yeah, one wire from the guitar to the pedal, one from the pedal to the amp, and if you've got more pedals than patch wires between the pedals, and I don't even have patch wires, so it's even worse. Just with this gadget, my guitar can be unchanged, and I don't need to worry about getting tangled in the cables on the floor. Yes, freedom. I mean, yeah, I still suck at solos, but at least I can't say that I was annoyed because of the wires. This is rechargeable, by the way, and the battery lasts for 6 freaking hours, so you can keep playing your guitar until the neighbors call the police on you. And yes, it works for other instruments as well. This cost me around 3,000 rupees, so yeah, get this for your guitarist and musician friends so they too can know that their wires aren't the problem. It's just a skill issue. Next up is this gravity pomodoro timer, which is perfect for people like me who are ADHDing all over the place. Yeah, it's got these numbers all around it, and each of these is basically a preset timer, so you can flip it around to start timers for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. This is great because when I'm trying to work on something important, I can just set a 30-minute or 60-minute timer and put this on my phone so I don't use it until my work is done. It's also great for focused work, so you can set a 30-minute timer for focused work and then take a break for 5 minutes. It actually makes you more productive because you end up doing focused work for 30 minutes and the 5-minute break can really refresh your brain. It's got a nice loud alarm sound and it vibrates as well, and yes, you can turn off the sound if you just want to use it as a vibrator. I mean, use it with vibrations. I mean, you know what I mean. Plus, if you don't like the preset timers, you can set up manual timers also, and yeah, just get to work. This is just 1,600 rupees and it's really good for productivity. Okay, so this isn't exactly tech, but it's just too much fun to not show. This is a punching bag that you can just slap on your desk and that's it. It's amazing to get your anger out. Just stick your boss's photo on it and of course that only works if you have a boss. If you don't have a boss, or if you are the boss, then get this for your employees with your photo stuck on it. It really helps with team morale, believe me. Plus, it's very useful for your gaming setup so you don't smash your controller when you lose to bots in Tekken. How am I losing to a bot? This costs just 500 rupees and it will save your 5,000 rupee controller many times, so yeah, it's worth it. Speaking of controllers, this RC car is super fun as well. This comes in a cool looking garage style box which is useless, but it adds to the feel and it's a lot of fun. It comes with drift tires as well as a set of grip tires in the box. The drift tires are for drifting and the grip tires are for speed. It's got proportional throttle so you can go very slow or very fast. Yeah, this is great, be it a gift for yourself or for anyone in your life, and it's also an amazing gift for guys. So if you're unsure what to get your husband or boyfriend, get this, he'll love it. And then he'll spend his free time crashing this car all around the house. I mean, I am an expert at drifting this. I'm only crashing to show you what it'll be like. Yeah, this costs around 1,700 rupees, which is a great price for something that will give you hours and hours of fun. Next up is this. Yeah, this is the kind of RC car that I wish I had when I was still working in an office because this is perfect for tests. It's so tiny that it makes anything look big, which is great for guys, and it's also so fast that it can make anything look slow, which is also great for guys. Just like the RC drift car, this also has proportional throttle, but it won't drift at slow speed, so you know, just move fast and break things. But it's so much fun to play with this on a desk, and if you're in an office, definitely play with this on your work desk because let's face it, you're not really working anyway. This one costs around 2,000 rupees on Amazon, and yeah, it's a bit high, but it's a tiny RC car, so I can't really complain. Okay, this next gadget has become one of my favorite things ever. This is the Audio Technica Soundburger, and it's a record player that I love. First off, it looks really nice with a perfect mix of vintage and modern. It is super compact, so it fits in anywhere, and you don't really need a very big space to keep it, and it's got an Audio Technica cartridge. It also gets Bluetooth support if you want to connect Bluetooth speakers to it, but I would honestly recommend just connecting it with an aux cable. Now, this is not the best record player out there. I mean, it doesn't even have a full platter for your records, and it doesn't have a dust cover, but it's still just amazing. And listening to vinyl records is also just amazing. Very Harvey Specter vibes. This cost me around 12,000 rupees in Japan, but weirdly in India this is being sold for 50,000 rupees, and I would not recommend that you buy this for 50,000 rupees. But yeah, if you're somewhere and you find it for 12 to 15,000, definitely get this. Look, I did get a lot of good tech in 2025, but I also ended up testing a lot of bullshit. And that's where this dustbin came in very handy. Excellent segue, right? Anyway, this dustbin is honestly really useful. It's a sensor dustbin, so it opens up the moment you bring your hand close to it and then closes automatically after a few seconds. It's not too big, so you can't really use it as your main dustbin in the house, but it's the perfect size for your study table or your work desk. And yes, if you have to throw out a lot of stuff at once, you can tap on this button and the dustbin will stay open until you tap the button again. So you can easily throw all the stuff you want to throw and then close the dustbin. It also comes with a bunch of attachments to install it on cabinets or hang it on walls, but honestly you won't really use them. I mean, I didn't, and I've already lost all of them. I just keep it on the floor beside my desk. This one is priced at 1,600 rupees on Amazon, and if you're looking for a sensor dustbin, definitely check this out. Well, those were my favorite tech finds from 2025, and honestly making this video was very difficult because I've made over 100 videos this year, so figuring out the best few gadgets from all of those was just... But hey, which gadget did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Also, give this video a like and subscribe to 8-Bit Toast for more such amazing videos. I'll see you next time.